So let's say we want to do an experiment to see how long it takes to boil water. How long it takes is the dependent variable. Now, we need to have an independent variable. And remember we talked in class about different controls. We have to control for all the other independent variables. We can only study one. So, in this case, if I'm boiling water, I could have an independent variable be the size of the pans. Big pot, small pot. I could have the amount of water in the pots. A lot of water or a little water. I could have one with salt. One without salt. I could change the temperature, have one on low and have one on high. In this case, I can actually have drinking water, or in this case, well water. Watch out, cows there. So, if I want to determine how long it takes to boil water, or what makes water boil faster or slower, I can't test all of these. I can't have a big pot with little water, with salt, with well water on high temperature. Or I can't have a little pot with lots of water, with higher heat, with drinking water, no salt. I wouldn't know which made it go faster or slower. I just have to have one independent variable. So maybe it's the size of the pot. And then everything else has to be the same. The amount of water has to be the same, the type of water has to be the same, the salt content has to be the same, and the temperature has to be the same. Or maybe I want to see the water, which would actually be a good experiment. If the well water or the drinking water boils faster, I'd have to have the same amount of water, the same size pot, the same amount of salt, the same amount of heat to keep all the other variables the same. We talked about that in class, and I hope that helps you with independent variable. God.